Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to use Afterpay in Best Buy, then this video is for you. So for your kind information, if I just give you an answer in a simple sentence, that is you actually can't use Afterpay directly in Best Buy, because Best Buy only accept PayPal, they doesn't accept Afterpay. So you can actually use Afterpay as your payment method. So one thing you can do is, whenever you have just select any product from here. For example, I have just choose a product here. So once you have added it to your cart, then you can go to your cart from here. So after adding this product here in this cart of your cart here, so you can visit your cart where you will be able to check out from here. So from here you can see buying a gift for someone special. So this gift option can be added in checkout. So this actually you can use to get this product or order this product or purchase this product with the gift card of Best Buy. And in this point you can use Afterpay to purchase a gift card for Best Buy. So once you are on Afterpay official website, you can use the search bar, or if you are on Afterpay application, you can search for the store like Best Buy, and you can find the Best Buy gift card which will available in the Afterpay, and you will be allowed to purchase that Best Buy gift card with your Afterpay credit that you have right now available on your available balance. So after purchasing the gift card, you can use it as a gift card or as this gift option here, where you can actually enter the gift code here that you have got from the gift card. Then after that, you make sure that you have purchased the this exact amount of that you are ordering here, the exact amount of money or the gift card. So there won't be any hassle. So if you have or purchased a exact amount of gift card, then you will be able to redeem that gift card and purchase this product from the Best Buy. So that's the only way to use Afterpay. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.